sharp rhythmic tap echoed against the marble floor. It was a slow, deliberate sound that cut through the stillness like a blade. Every head in the room turned toward the head of the long table. The old man was rising. He moved with a heavy, measured grace, his hand gripping the silver handle of his cane. Each time the metal tip struck the floor, the sound resonated through the vaulted ceiling. A steady, percussive beat that seemed to count down the seconds of the confrontation. He did not look at the guests. His eyes were locked onto Nancy. He stepped away from his chair, his movements stiff but purposeful. The guests parted instinctively, creating a narrow path through the center of the elite gathering. He walked forward, the cane tapping rhythmically, each strike echoing the heartbeat of the room. The old man stopped inches from Nancy. He did not speak immediately. Instead, he turned his head, his eyes sweeping across the rows of silent guests. The look was not one of anger, but of profound, icy disappointment. Under his scrutiny, the woman who had initiated the insults shifted in her seat, her gaze darting toward the floor. The tension in the room reached a breaking point. A taut wire pulled until it hummed. Then, the old man shifted his weight. He leaned slightly forward, his movement slow and deliberate, and reached out. He placed his hand firmly on Nancy's shoulder. The contact was heavy, grounding, and unmistakable. It was a public seal of approval that rippled through the hall.